Your mind is running programs right now. Programs you didn't install. Programs keeping you stuck. And today, we delete them. Here's what's happening. Every morning you wake up, your brain loads the same thoughts from yesterday. Same doubts, same fears, same limitations. Psychologists call it neural pathway dependency. I call it being a prisoner of your past self. Duke University found that 45% of your actions aren't decisions. They're unconscious habits, programs installed by past trauma, failures, and fear. And your brain will fight every attempt to change, because to your nervous system, change equals danger. This is why you self-sabotage, not because you're weak, but because your brain is doing what it was designed to do, keep you stuck. But here's what changes everything. Neuroplasticity. Your brain isn't hardware, it's software, and software can be reprogrammed. Dr. Joe Dispenza proved it. To create a new outcome, you must break the habit of being yourself. Your current self is just a pattern, and patterns can be interrupted. Here's how. Step 1. Awareness. For 24 hours, observe your thoughts. Don't judge them, just notice them. Oh, there's that thought again. Step 2. Interrupt the pattern. When you catch the negative loop, physically move. Stand up, snap your fingers. Say, reset. Physical movement breaks neural patterns. Step 3. Install the new program. Choose a new thought. Old program. I always fail. New program. I learn and evolve with every attempt. Write it down. Repeat it. This is reprogramming. University College London found it takes 66 days to install a new habit. That's 66 days of choosing the new program every single day, even when you don't feel like it, especially when you don't feel like it, because feelings follow actions, not the other way around. Now listen, your brain is going to tell you this won't work. That's the old program defending itself. David Goggins calls it the 40% rule. When your mind says you're done, you're only 40% done. Most people quit here. They obey the program, but not you, not anymore, because now you know what's happening. That voice of doubt is just old code trying to survive. And you have a choice. Listen to it and stay the same, or override it and evolve. 6 months from now, you'll wake up, and the new program will be the default. Thoughts that took effort will be automatic. Actions that required willpower will be natural. You won't just change habits, you'll change your identity. But it starts today. Right now, it's 2025, and it's time to reprogram your mind. The science is there, the method is there, the choice is yours. Reprogram, reset, rise. This is Mentalitum, where we don't just motivate you, we rewire you. Subscribe if you're ready for the transformation. New psychology every week. See you in the next one.